Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Journey to God YouTube channel. I wish you a blessed day, and welcome to another daily devotional. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Today is December 15th, and today's devotional topic is Malchus. John chapter 18 verse 10 says, "Then Simon Peter, having a sword, drew it and struck the high priest's servant and cut off his right ear. The servant's name was Malchus." Fortunately, Peter was called by Jesus to be his disciple. As a fisherman, he spent some nights without catching anything. As a soldier, he missed the blow to Malchus's head and cut off his right ear instead. As you see, he was quite ineffective. Some things don't make any sense. Why did he attack Malchus, a servant of the high priest, if he could have attacked more important people? If Peter wanted to stand up for Christ, would it not be more logical to do so by assaulting someone with greater responsibility for the illegal and cowardly arrest? Perhaps Malchus was the one closest to his sword. Perhaps he didn't know who was who. Maybe it was fear that made him do this unthinkable, impulsive, and wrong act. First, Peter should not have had a weapon, not only because that does not fit in the profile of a follower of Christ, but also because they were in the time of religious celebration in Jerusalem. Both spiritually and socially, he was wrong. Second, even though the Bible does not give details, the story leaves the impression of a surprise attack with no chance of defense, a cowardly onslaught on Peter's part. As much as Malchus was part of the infamous group that arrested Jesus, it did not give the disciple the right to attack him. Third, in Luke chapter 22 verse 51, it is said that Christ takes time in his last minutes on this earth to solve the problem of his enemy. Malchus, of whom we do not know why he was there at that time and place, probably obeying the orders that he had been given, receives the blessing of restoration from the one who he was helping to arrest. The Bible says nothing more about his life, but it would not be surprising if Malchus ends up in heaven and you'll find him on his knees before the King of Kings, worshiping as he did not dare to do that night in Gethsemane. Would you be able to continue with your life as if nothing had happened after an experience like that? Could you sleep in peace without recognizing Jesus Christ as someone completely different from everyone else? How could you remain the same after the Master worked his last miracle on you? I don't know about Malchus, but I pray that you recognize your restored life. Thank you for tuning into another daily devotional video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell. And if you have any questions or feedback, post them in the comment section where I'll be reading all of them. Thank you and have a blessed day.